What's up, guys? Hope you guys are doing well today. So let's get started. Today we are Friday, October 10, and today we made $500. So we made a one-to-one only. As I told you guys, prelim, there's a lot of fake outs for my specific model, and we were so close to TP, but it ended up reversing. But at least we didn't lose, right? So here's the the result for today. So around 470 on each account, which makes us 1.5. We only need 1.5k to pass the accounts already. So as you guys know, Monday we have a bank holiday, and then Tuesday we can trade, right? So what I'm thinking is Tuesday I'll go and risk 750 for a 1 to 2 and aim for a 1.5k so the accounts are passed. I don't see the point of just risking another 500 for a 1k just to take another day, you know? So Tuesday, because like I said, Monday is closed. Tuesday I'll risk 750. So if we win, the whole accounts are passed already and we can start actually grinding and start the challenge. And for example, if I take a loss, I'll lose 750, and from there I'll just go back to risking correctly what I'm supposed to risk. So yeah, I mean that's pretty nice. We're already 50% done. So yeah. Today we had news at 10, prelim, and then I think Trump or something spoke later on. Cause 10:57 price just started dumping. I think even crypto dumped. So yeah. Anyway, let's start the recap. If you guys enjoy at any moment, like, subscribe. It would mean a lot for me. So here we had London high, London low, Asia high, Asia low. What else can I see? Previous day low, and this is all-time high. Yep, all-time high. Perfect. What can I see? Well, we're near all-time high. That's first of all. Second of all, here we have an hourly fair value gap, which price at 5 a.m. and 6 a.m. came into, but then went up. So we're respecting bullish and disrespecting bearish. So as of right now, I am looking for buys until we hit all-time high, and then we'll see what's gonna happen, right? Unless price is doing something else on the chart, then we'll see. Perfect. 5 minutes. All right, 1 minute. All right, sorry guys. So like I said, now we're on the 1 minute time frame. Let's see what happened. Start new. Bang. Now I was watching other people today. Well, let me show you guys my trade, and then I'll show you guys what they did. So market open. What can I see? Nothing really. Then 9:31, we came all the way up to London high. Now, did we sweep it and close below? No. So we're still waiting, right? Then what? Price gave us price gave us a 1 minute fair value gap, right? But do I take it? No. We don't know yet. Are we gonna reverse or keep on going up? Fast forward. What can I see here? Now price ran above London highs and Asia high. So now I'm pretty confident in looking for longs, and it's aligned with my context and higher time frame too. Here we created our 1 minute. Now right there, 9:31, we could have, yes, taken this fair value gap, since we didn't actually, like, you guys know when we sweep it and, like, for example, Here, let me get the drawing. When we sweep it, okay, that's as. You guys know when we sweep, but there's only wicks and then the body closes below correctly, then this would, there's a higher chance that we start reversing. But like that, I mean, we could have seen it coming that we're gonna go even higher. But anyway, here I got my 1 minute fair value gap. It's aligned with my context. As soon as it touch, I'm in. Now, technically, where should my stop loss be? Right there, right? But now, since, so in my thinking, I was saying like, all right, here we have, yeah, Asia high. So here we have Asia high and my stop loss is below. Worst case scenario, yes, we have a fair value gap, but price is just gonna come, tap into the Asia high and then keep on going up, right? Right. So my entry is right there, 939. So perfect as of right now. Everything is looking good. Then this is what I was saying, 940, price came exactly to Asia high, but then closed above. Now, yes, it could have been risky, and yes, I'm supposed to put my stop loss here, but with experience, I know that I was all right. Very close call right there, 943, but I was still in. Perfect. Now with this push, I was like, all right, I'm pretty sure price is just gonna do what it's gonna do. So from there, I went break even. I waited a little bit more. Now we create another 1 minute fair value gap. So I was like, all right, nice. Price came back. So 946, we create the fair value gap. 947, price hits this fair value gap technically, and then start going up again. So guys, I'm like not even 3 points away from my TP, right? I was up 800. I only need 200 more, if I remember right. Regardless, from there, now we were respecting this fair value gap. So what did I do? I moved my break even to in profit, right? So from there, I moved it around 400, 450. I mean, as you guys seen in the, what's it called, on TradeSync. Here, let me check. Yeah, around the 1-to-1, 45 right there, 40. But then guess what? We were so close. Price came back into the fair value gap. So that's one thing I should have been careful. First of all, we are respecting this fair value gap, but I moved my stop loss exactly like at 947's start, right? I should have just left it here. So 945 is low because we're still respecting this fair value gap, but we don't know if we're gonna come in deeper, right? That's first mistake technically. But anyway, to be honest, I got saved because next candle we just bang went to the downside. And that's the thing with prelim. I mean, for me sometimes from the data that I backtested, a lot of time we just get so close and then fake out, or we get a nice, very nice setup and then just bang, right? Anyway, so yeah, that was my trade. Then I got plus 450 or something, right? Now I was checking something, so let me remove all those lines. What can we see right now? Well, I can see we have this sell side, right? What else can I see? We have this bearish fair value gap, right? Perfect. What I've seen people do is they entered right there, not right there, one more maybe, yep, right there. 958, they entered, they had their stop loss right there, and this was TP1, so 1.4, then you can keep it running, right? But this was their initial TP. Bang, it got met. 1001, we swept it, went back up, and then price just started chopping, I guess. But anyway, now I don't even know why I'm saying that, but it's just cool to see that here we have a sell side, here we have sell side. So we have liquidity zone that most likely are gonna get taken out. Because what did I say at the beginning on the higher time frame? Price is gonna come up, and then from there either we're gonna keep on going, but we're at all-time highs, right? Or start dumping. With prelim, with the US news and whatever, I mean, I guess it was pretty obvious that we were just going down. But yeah, anyway, that was my only trade that I took. Like I said, Monday, Tuesday. Hopefully we win the trade so we can pass all the accounts completely. Let me just double check. 1.6. Yeah, so I need 1.4, 1.5 to pass the accounts. Beautiful. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in 4 days.